Hello dear students, myself Dr. Bankar DB. In previous few videos, you have seen some synthesis of longipholin molecule by various routes. In this video, I will take the next synthesis of longipholin that was designed by A.G. Skulls and S. Puyuk. So they published this synthesis in Journal of Organic Chemistry in 1985. The starting precursor used was methyl 2-methoxybenzoate. In first step, this methyl 2-methoxybenzoate undergo Birch reduction in lithium and liquid ammonia. So there is formation of unconjugated diene. So this is well known reduction method of aromatic compound into unconjugated diene by using lithium and liquid ammonia. This is the Birch reduction. In case of Birch reduction, if we have electron donating group that present on double bonded carbon atom, and if we have electron withdrawing group that is present on single bonded carbon atom. In next step, this unconjugated diene will react with alkylating reagent. So this is tandem alkylation reaction. So here that hydrogen will undergo enolization. Then that enolate will react with this alkylating reagent and there is formation of this type of intermediate. In next step, this unconjugated diene containing alkyl side chain will react with NBS in methanol. There is formation of diastereomeric mixture of bromo-ketal. So here there is formation of ketal as well as bromo at this particular position, and this is a diastereomeric mixture of bromo-ketal. In next step, this bromo-ketal will allow to react with DBU in toluene under reflux condition. As we know that this DBU act as a base, sometimes it act as a catalyst as well as it act as a ligand. So this is the structure of DBU. It is 1,8-diazabicyclo 5,4,0 undec 7-in. So this is the particular base. It consists of one 7-membered ring and one 6-membered ring. In this case, that DBU will act as a base. So there is simple elimination reaction. We can call as dehydrobromination, and there is formation of conjugated diene. In next step, this conjugated diene will allow to react with H plus in reflux condition in acetone. Here that ketal and that also ketal will undergo deprotonation. There is formation of ketone and as well as there is formation of aldehyde. In next step, that ketone aldehyde group containing compound was allowed to react with 1 amino trans 2,3-diphenyl aziridine compound. There is formation of aziridinyl imine. Here that NH2 of this aziridine will react with aldehyde carbonyl group and there is formation of this type of imine. In next step, that imine undergo thermolysis in refluxing acetone. There is cleavage of stilbene and there is formation of diazo compound. Then that diazo compound will undergo cyclization and there is formation of compound containing 3 rings. Look at next step, that compound containing one 6-membered ring, one 7-membered ring and one 5-membered ring undergo photolysis in benzene. There is free radical mechanism will be takes place. There is loss of nitrogen and that 2 carbon will combine together and there is formation of vinyl cyclopropane derivative. In next step, in reflux xylene condition, rearrangement of this cyclopropane bond and this double bond will take place and there is formation of tricyclic ketone. This step is also free radical mechanism. Then that 3-cyclic ketone was allowed to react with H2 PDC in methanol. So this is simple hydrogenolysis reaction under H2 PDC condition. That double bond will undergo reduction into single bond. Then in next step, that compound was allowed to react with KOH in methanol water. Under basic hydrolysis medium, that ester will convert into acid. So this is simple hydrolysis of ester into acid. So that ester will convert into acid. In next step, that acid compound was allowed to react with H plus under reflux condition. So this is simple decarboxylation reaction. Here that acid will react with H plus, there is loss of CO2 and there is formation of hydrogen. So under these three steps, that tricyclic ketone will convert into this type of simple ketone compound. Then that ketone was allowed to react with lithium diisopropyl amide. There is formation of carbanion at this step, at this position. Then that carbanion will allow to react with methyl iodide and there is formation of this type of methyl group at this position. Then this ketone in last step was allowed to undergo Wittig reaction and there is formation of longipholin molecule. So this is the well-known reaction for the formation of CH2 at this position using Wittig reaction. So this is the structure of longipholin molecule. So here we have complete this synthesis. Thank you for watching video.